This is my honest review of the Bank of America app after actually using it. I've tried a lot of banking apps before, and honestly, many of them look good at first, but over time they feel slow, confusing, or just annoying to use. That's why Bank of America surprised me a bit, because the app actually fits into everyday life instead of making simple things harder than they need to be. What I like most is how practical it is. You don't need to spend a long time figuring things out. You open the app, and right away you can see your balance, recent activity, and do what you need to do. Whether it's checking transactions, sending money, or paying a bill, it only takes a few taps, which really matters on busy days. The app is also very simple to use. Everything is laid out clearly. Nothing feels overwhelming or cluttered. Even the first time I used it, I didn't feel lost. And that's important for a banking app where you don't want to make mistakes. Design-wise, it feels clean and professional. It's not flashy, not trying too hard, just solid and well-organized. It feels like an app made for daily use, not just something that looks good in screenshots. Another thing I like is consistency. It works reliably. You know what to expect every time you open it, and that builds trust over time. Overall, the Bank of America app isn't trying to be fancy, it just works. And for a banking app, that's exactly what you want. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.